Welcome everyone, let's transfer data from our old Android phone to our brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So the first step is on both Android devices. You're going to search up for Samsung Smart Switch Mobile in the Play Store and just make sure that this app is downloaded onto your devices. Then on the Z Fold 4, you're going to open up the Smart Switch app, and then from here you're going to see receive data. Tap on receive, tap on Galaxy/Android, tap on cable, and now you need to get the charging cable for your Z Fold 4. Connect one end into the Z Fold 4 and you're going to find the other end, and you just want to connect the other end into your other Android device, which is the device you're trying to get the data from. So once you have connected, unlock the device you're transferring data from, and from here you just need to wait. So nothing has showed up. If that's the case, I'm going to close out the Smart Switch app and I'm going to open it up on the device I'm trying to transfer data from, and let's see if that solves the issue. So it doesn't, so I'm just going to attempt again to connect, and there we go, searching for data to transfer and connected to Z Fold 4. So if you are having issues like me, what you do is you open up the Smart Switch app on the device you were trying to transfer data from. Now you see, select data to transfer, everything, just accounts and custom. Make sure you scroll all the way down so you see the next option and then tap on next. So I'm going to transfer everything. I'm going to tap on next, and now the transfer is going to start. You have the option to keep screen on, and so just make sure the screen is on the entire time while the transfer is working. Alright, so with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.